Hi everyone, so I'm back with two book page junk journals and ephemera scrap pack kits. Couldn't say that quick. So if you've watched my last two videos, I made myself a scrappy journal and I made two extra. And then I've put together some, like a scrappy ephemera pack. If you wanted to join along, you can purchase one of these. I've got, these will be listed not on my website, but these will be listed in my Ko-fi shop. I will link that below. There's some freebies on my Ko-fi shop as well, which you're welcome to use. You can use them within your journal. But if you're looking for any of my kits, I do have some on my Ko-fi shop, but there is some on my website as well, actual journal kits, digital kits. So like I said, I've made two of these. They're both different. I'll flick through them like quickly, and obviously the ephemera that I've put together all varies as well. Okay, so what I'll do is I will link my playlist below of the one that I've done, the one that I'm working on. Okay, and if you want to follow along with me while I work in this, then you know you can hit the subscribe button. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the notification bell and you'll get notified when a video of mine goes up on YouTube. And yeah, so these little journals, I had a note, I had a piece of paper. Where have I done with it? Okay, right. So both the journals measure what do they measure? They measure 8 3/4 by 5 1/4. They have one signature, 36 pages front and back, and they've got the same layout as the one that I'm working on. Okay, so it's dictionary on the front, and this is, where is this? The Black Sea. So it is, that's really bad, I don't even know where the Black Sea is. Right, anyway, map book page covers, double-sided, the Atlantic Ocean here. We've got an envelope window envelope, book page there. It can be a pocket, you can glue that, you don't have to glue it, but you can. It's got moths, I believe that's moths on there. So they're all moths, I think they're all moths. Edith Holden, some florally book page. This is from that book called England is a Garden. I need to get another one of those. I love that book. This is from a flower plant book. This is from a London map book here in the UK, and this is Egham. Well, actually I don't know if it's Britain or just like London and the surrounding areas, like the 4 counties. In the middle we have an Edith Holden, and we've got, you can make that into pockets if you want. I have left the strings as like that, so that if you want to add dangles or if you want to tie it in a bow, you can do whatever you like with it. You could, if you wanted to, feed it through so that it comes out the other side, if you've got the patience to do that. That's a little flip there, that's Gravesend, I'm sure that's Essex way. Virginia Waters, we used to take kids there when they were little. Virginia Waters, it's like a big park it's near Windsor Castle, or it's got something to do with the Windsor area. Book page, this is from England is a Garden, another book page with these floral bouquets on there, and then this, look at the lovely patchwork on there. Edith Holden, some more of that book, which is a pocket there, and book page, and the other side we can cover that over. That envelope was obviously got something to do with tax returns, tax accounts. Yeah, it might have been from when I was doing my tax returns. Okay, pocket there for you to tuck stuff inside. Okay, in this pack you will get, these are all scrap pieces. Actually, some of it's not scrap pieces. This was a scrap piece of paper. This is actually from ARTYmaze. This is, and she has said to me in the past that I can do little bits of her stuff as scraps, but she's gave me permission to do that. So I don't think it's okay for everyone. I've just been fortunate enough that she's given me permission to do that. This is from my new kit, which I can't remember what it's called. How bad is that? Let me have a quick look. what's it called? Oh, it's my vintage wallpaper. There you go. I didn't even know what it was called. So I'm gonna just, I'll take that lot out. Okay, so you've got that. I've printed it off, obviously. Got that and that. That was a scrap piece from, I don't know who that's from. There is some vintage music paper. I believe that is like violin music paper. So I'm just going to pop that back on like so, and put that there like that, so that when I show you the rest of it, I can just pop it back in. So we've got 4 little lady images. They're the same images in the other one as well. These are just little scrap pieces of wallpaper, which will be great for collaging onto the junk journal. Again, just scrap pieces. Some more wallpaper there and here and there. This is wallpaper as well. I've kept, obviously I've got some of this to be using in my journal as well, so that should be fun. These are strips of what I done on my jelly plate that I was playing around with, so I've tore that up, and obviously I've kept some of that for myself as well. So you've got blues and purples and reds, and then you've got that, so you great collaging with these. Then got that kind of greeny colour. This was splodges and splatters. That's all I'm saying, that is splodges and splatters. I've done a journal using all that, and there was bits left over. That's what it is. This was all different greens and blues and golds all sprayed onto paper. So again, you could use that collaging. There is some vintage, that's a printable, but you could use that for collaging as well. Little glassine bag. Inside there is little stamps and things, and obviously that's different in the other one. And then here we have an envelope, because you could use that to decorate your cover. This was in a big pack of stuff, original vintage stuff that I have. So that's a playing card with the owl on there, the crab, you could fussy cut all around that. There's a mushroom, I think that's a mushroom. Yeah, it's definitely a mushroom. And then this is an article, and it's a vintage, a letter from Lucy, and it says the family bookshelf, so 1947. This is some original ephemera from a magazine. And this is, that's all been written on the back. That's a recipe on the back. Don't know what it's for, but it's been written on a scoring sheet. Then there's some vintage book page, some vintage ledger paper here. Then there's a moo cow. That's a playing, what's that for? Don't know what that is actually for. I don't know, but it's to do with ages and stuff. It's a tally ambassador cards. I don't know what it's for. There's a book page envelope, so you could do book pages with you could do envelopes with these book pages if you wanted to. These are quite old. I don't know if they're quite vintage, but they are old book pages. Is that 2 or just 1? I think that's just 1. Dictionary page, that is Spanish, I think. Another book page, and then some more music paper. Okay, so that is that one. And like I said, in my coffee shop, not my website. And then this one I'll quickly show you, because obviously it's different map pages. That's Bucharest, and where else? So Romania, Slovakia. Okay, again, it's got the pocket there. Mediterranean Sea, Barcelona, so we've got Spain on that side. A pocket there, and butterflies there. How cute. I'm sure that's cake. If it isn't, it looks it. Cake of flowers. Map, where is that? Sunbury. I don't know where that is. Sunbury. Not quite sure. Pocket there, Edith Holden. Oh, Sunbury on Thames. Oh, look at all the daisies, like wild daisies, I think. Oh, look at that, isn't that pretty? Little pockets there, you can glue them pockets together, and then that there, and the pocket there, and then inside this one, it's like the papers are obviously the same on the front there. Obviously the music sheet's different. Right, so the ladies are the same. Scrappy pieces are quite similar of the wallpaper. Similar. And that's some more of my papers that I've made. These obviously are completely one-offs. You'll never see them again. You won't see a duplicate of that. Some green, some that. That was fun to do. I can't wait to get the paints out again and play around with that. And then this again, this was splodging and splattering and stuff. And then 2 pieces of that. There is a selection of stamps. Where's that? Conroe, I don't know what, Texas. That all goes in there. That's from Denmark, that one. And we have another envelope, which is the same as the other one. Then here, this is out of a magazine, a vintage that is. We have a birdie. The birdie there, a little envelope there with the book page. It's a dictionary book page. This is vintage as well, from a magazine or a book page. Again, this is vintage. You could sell a Lancer car. I think it's a Lancer car. Yeah, look at the price. Lancer wagons are priced from $2,306. If only nowadays, eh? Book pages, ledger paper. These are little poems that would be nice to, you could recreate them as well. Dictionary page, book page, music paper, and this bit of a wildlife scene. You've got a birdie there, not a birdie, that's a fish, frog, a fish, a bird, a bear, an owl, a deer, and a badger. I don't know if that's a badger or not. There we go. So that is what you get in that one. Okay, so they will be pictured like that, I think, so you can see which one, because you want one rather than the other. Yep, and I will put the links below to where you can find these, and if you have any questions, just ask. And also I'll put a link to my playlist, how I'm working in mine as well. So thanks for watching. Bye.